Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your app crashes in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do is simply come over into your search option, going to search for CMD, click on the right mouse button and then click run as administrator. If you click on that, click yes for the permission. And then here you just need to type WS reset, click enter and it will open your Microsoft Store. So after resetting it, you just simply close this and then you just need to go for your search option and going to search for PowerShell. Click on the right mouse button. It's not PowerShell. Click on run as administrator. Click yes with permission. And then here you just need to copy this command over here. I will give you this into video description. From there, you can simply copy it and paste it over here like this. After that, click enter. And it will automatically processing your Windows 11. And after that, what you need to do after completing this, and then here you just need to type only exit and then click enter. It will be gone. And now what you need to do, just simply come over into click on this taskbar, click on task manager. After that, you just need to click on run new tasks. If you click on that, click on the browse and go for your local C drive, go for Windows, and then you just need to go for System 32. Click on that and then search for CMD. So here is CMD. If you click on that, check this box and then click OK. And it will automatically redirect you, or it will automatically open the CMD prompt. And now you just need to type CFC space /scan. Now click enter and it will scanning your Windows and it will take maybe 14 to 15 minutes maybe. So just keep patience, and after completing this, your changes your all problem. It will fix your crashes into Windows 11. So this is how you can fix app crashes in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.